Hello, today we will guide you through how to create table in KoboToolbox. In KoboToolbox, what many people think of as a table is typically created using the question matrix feature. This is useful when you want to organize several related questions in a clear grid-like format, making your form easier to build and easier for respondents to complete. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step through how to access that option and begin adding it to your form. To get started, open your KoboToolbox project and go to the form editor for the project where you want to create the table. This is the workspace where you can add, arrange, and customize the questions in your survey or data collection form. Once you're in the editor, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct section of the form before adding anything new. Next, click on the plus sign. This opens the option to insert a new element into your form. The plus icon is commonly used in KoboToolbox whenever you want to add new content, so if you plan to build more complex forms later, it's a good tool to become familiar with. After that, click on Add Question. This tells KoboToolbox that you want to insert a new question type into the form. At this stage, you'll usually see a list of available question formats, which can include things like text responses, multiple choice questions, and more advanced layouts. From that list, select Question Matrix. This is the key step for creating a table-style question in KoboToolbox. A question matrix allows you to group related items together in rows and columns, which is especially helpful when you want users to answer several similar questions in a consistent format. Choosing this option creates the framework for your table. Once the question matrix has been added, click on the plus icon again. This lets you begin expanding or configuring the matrix by adding the necessary parts inside it. Depending on how your form is set up, this may allow you to add rows, choices, or related fields that shape how the table will appear and function. As you work, it's a good idea to review the layout carefully so your table stays simple and easy to understand. Clear labels and a logical structure can make a big difference in how smoothly respondents complete the form. That's it for the basic process of creating a table in KoboToolbox using the question matrix option. Follow these actions in sequence and you'll be ready to build a more organized and efficient form.